Hi, I wanted to quickly do a La Roche Posay unboxing slash first impressions. I have a couple of new products that I've never tried before, and the other two I've tried several times. Starting with the micellar water, it is the MICELLAR Ultra for sensitive skin. I was a little surprised that this had as much fragrance. It is listed as the last ingredient, so I was concerned about it. However, it did not irritate my skin. It does have the exact same fragrance as the Hyalura B5 serum. I've only tried micellar water once, and I believe it irritated my skin, and I returned it. Never tried it again. So years later, giving it a go, it removed my sunscreen. It didn't irritate my face, and my skin was left feeling really soft. So I do think I would repurchase this, even though I've only used it once. So far, I'm thinking with a first impression, I like it enough to rebuy it, and I do think it was affordable for the amount that I have and for how often I will be using it, which is when I'm going out wearing lots of sunscreen. Next, we have the LIPIKAR AP+ Gentle Foaming Cleansing Oil. I would say it is in between an oil and a body wash. It's not pure oil. It does still have like a body wash consistency, but definitely oilier. I do think it's more moisturizing than the LIPIKAR wash, the gentle foaming wash, which I do like this, but it can be a little drying for my skin sometimes, especially if I accidentally take a longer shower or a hotter shower. So I do like it to get off all of the oils and creams and sunscreen off. However, using this once so far, only on my body, I did like it. It left me feeling very smooth. I did see it didn't do as heavy as a job cleaning as the foaming wash. So I think I would need to use either a little more or be a little more vigorous with the cloth, not in a harsh way, to get the same results. But I did like that I didn't feel as tight or dry, which I really like that about it, and no allergic reaction. This is the LIPIKAR AP+M Moisture Repair Moisturizing Cream. This is pretty heavy. It is a very heavy lotion, but cosmetically it feels so nice. As it is getting warmer, I will probably get the regular moisturizing lotion and save this one for my face or for flare-ups when I need something calming, because this can be a little heavy in the spring and summer, accepted by the National Eczema Association. This is one of the few lotions that I buy outside of something that I don't make for myself. And I do like it. I've had it a bunch of times. Will continue to buy it. It feels so nice, actually moisturizing, extremely thick cream. Almost forgot the TOLERIANE Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. This is akin to the Cetaphil or CeraVe cleanser, sort of milky, non-foaming, non-lathering. Not sure if you cleaned yourself up well or not. Sort of cleanser, which I like, which is very gentle. Also have had this several times on days when I don't think I need something as heavy as this. I would grab this, or if my skin was feeling extra sensitive or flush or irritated, this is my go-to. So I look forward to seeing how the oil fares on my face. But I am happy with this, and of course it came with a sample. They always come with a sample, and I have tried other products of theirs that I look forward to still supporting La Roche Posay, a L'Oreal brand with, I believe, French thermal water. But this is my first skincare video, so thank you so much for watching.